Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to understand the question sequential digits, right? So this is the Leetcode question. Today is 2nd Feb, right? And the question is sequential digit. The question is saying an integer has a sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit, right? So we have to return the sorted list of all the integer in the range that is low and high, right? In this range, whatever the data we comes, right, as a the condition, so we have to return. Okay, let's suppose low is 100, high is 300. So the sequential digits comes is 1 2 3 2 3 4, and that we have to return. If more than this is coming, we have to return. Like for example 1000 and 13,000, right? So we have to return all these elements. So what the element is saying, that it is saying each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit, right? So what we have to do, let's suppose we have given 1, the next digit will become what? 2, next digit will become what? 3, like this. Okay, so this is coming, another is coming what? It should be less than 300, right? So if you'll compare this, then what will come? Will come 2, 3 and 4. It is not so easy. We have to process all those elements, right? And then we can say, right? Just I'm saying because it is saying that each digit in the number is more than the previous digit one, right? And so that it will come like this. Okay, so let's understand the solution, how we are going to do. So we have low and high is the range, and we'll take an answer and one Q, right? So what we will do, we'll check the condition first. The low should be greater than 0 and high should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, so we'll add an answer, right? Answer dot add 0. Then what we will do, we'll start from I equal to 1 and I should be less than equal to 10, and we'll add all the value of I, right? And that will come on the Q. Now we'll check the Q dot size is greater than 0. Then what we will do, we'll remove the Q and we'll say that is current. If current is greater than equal to low and current is less than equal to high, right? Then what we will do, we'll add current on the result, okay, on the answer, and then we'll say one digit will divide by what? Current by 10. It will come the first digit. Now the one digit will check between 9 and the current into 10 plus digit plus 1, right? And if it is less than equal to high, right, we will add what? Q dot add, and we'll say current into 10, and we'll do one digit plus 1, and finally we'll return the result. Okay, so what we are doing actually, this is the BFS. If you observe this is the breadth first search. In the breadth first search, first we put on the Q, right? Q, here is a Q, right? And then one element, that is the current element, we will check the all other element, right? So as you observe here, what we are doing here, we have already put on the Q, right? Now we are, if Q is greater than 0, means if Q is not empty, then we are doing what? We are removing from the Q, and we are saying this is our current. And now the current element, we are checking between the low and high. If it is between that, then we are adding on the what? On the answer, that is the result, right? Now to get the digit, what we are doing, we are adding on you can say we are processing current divided by 10, and from the current we are getting one digit, right? And that digit we will check between, if less than 9 and the current digit is, let's suppose any digit, divide by multiply by 10, and plus we will do digit plus 1, and it should be less than equal to high, right? Means it should be, the question was saying what? It should be greater than 1, right? Each digit in the number should be more than one element, right? So for that we are doing what? Multiplying, and we are taking plus 1. Okay, and finally what we will do, we'll add this current element and digit plus 1 here, that we have done here, right? This one on the Q, because one element should be greater than this, right? And finally we'll return the answer. Okay, So if you have any doubt in this question, right, please ping me in the comment box and I'll help you there. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.